Okay, in this video, I'll share some high risky projects with you. High risk means high reward. But before starting the video, I'll tell you that never invest more than 2% of your portfolio in these projects. That means if your portfolio is 1 lakh Indian rupees, then never invest more than 2000, 2k, 2000, more than 2000 rupees in these projects, because these projects are high risky. And high risk means high reward, but high risk means there has some project which will go zero from this zone. You have to keep it in your mind. High risk means high reward, but there has some project which will go zero from this zone. Okay, I'm sharing some projects. Project number 1 is MAT. MAT is currently trading on 0.25 US dollar. My minimum target for MAT is 50x from this zone. Second project is Shadam, कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी है इसका नाम पता नहीं. This is high risky, super high risky project. My minimum target for Sham is 100x from this zone. My minimum target, look at the price right now, 0.00023. My minimum target for Sham is 100x from this zone. I have invested a small amount in Sham. SLC Silencio is currently trading on 0.00011 US dollar. My minimum target for SLC is 50x. My minimum target for SLC is 50x. Rion. This is a project. So my minimum target is 50x, but I think Rion can reach in that level. If I get Rion in that level, 0.22, 0.23 US dollar, then I will buy Rion again. Then my minimum target will be 15x. Okay, 50x. Sundog, my minimum target is 50x. I have invested a good amount in Sundog. Good amount means it's not like a big amount. Okay, it's a okay amount invested in Sundog. Okay, Sundog is currently trading on 0.011 US dollar. My minimum target for Sundog is 0.40 US dollar. This is my minimum target. Okay, 0.40 divided by 0.011. 36x for Sundog is minimum target, and I think Sundog can reach. reach 0.70 US dollar. That means 60x. Okay, so that means 60x. Sundog is currently trading on 0.011 US dollar. I have a special focus on Sundog because I have invested a good amount in Sundog, and I think my minimum target for Sundog is 0.40 US dollar. And if Sundog get Binance listing, it is a Binance Alpha project. If Sundog get Binance listing, which I am looking quite possible for Sundog, then 0.70 US dollar is looking very much possible. I mean 60x. If Sundog get Binance listing, then Sundog will go 60x from this one, and otherwise Sundog will go 35x from this zone. This is my calculation. This is my assumption. This is my research. I can be fully 100% wrong. This is very risky project. Never invest a big amount in this project. Hippo is also a Binance Alpha project. If my minimum target for Hippo is 40x from this one, it is the safe target for Hippo. Minimum 40x from this one. This is my minimum target, and again Hippo can go 50-60x. Okay, but 40x is minimum target. PRAI, it's a very good zone right now. It's a very good buying zone right now. My minimum target again 50x. Minimum target 50x for Pry. BNC. This is also looking. My minimum target is 50x from this one. BNC. So BNC is a project. My minimum target is 50x from this one. I have invested a small amount in BNC. And last but not the least, there is 2 important projects. Okay, 2 important projects. Project number 1 is GLMR. Look at the chart. GLMR and ACA. GLMR is currently trading. GLMR is currently trading on 0.02 US dollar, 0.027. GLMR is currently trading on 0.027 US dollar, and ACA is currently trading on 0.013 US dollar. This is last but not the least. These are 2 important projects and looking quite strong projects. Quite strong. Okay, especially GLMR, not ACA, especially GLMR. I have invested a big amount in GLMR. Okay, in a big amount. I took a high risk for myself, and I have invested a big amount in GLMR. I'm not telling you to invest big amount in GLMR because this is a very risky project, but I have invested a big amount in GLMR. Is currently trading on 0.027 US dollar, and 30x is looking very much possible. 30x is looking very much possible. It's easy. 30x it's easy from this one for GLMR. I have invested a big amount. ACA also, I cannot tell you the exact target for ACA right now because it's depend on market situation, but I have invested a normal amount in ACA. Especially, I told you I have invested a big amount in GLMR. 30x is very easy, but GLMR can go more than 30x. These are the 2, last but not the least, these are the 2 important projects. These are the 2 important projects. Okay, in this video I have told you lots of projects. Okay, do screenshot here. You can do screenshot here. Okay, but last 2 projects, GLMR and ACA, these are very risky projects, but these are 2 important projects. I have invested a big amount in GLMR, but last but not the least, I'm telling you, never invest a big amount in these 2 projects. More than 2% of your portfolio should not be invested in this kind of projects because these are very risky projects. And I have just shared you what I am doing. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to trade based on my opinion. Crypto is high risky, and crypto is high risky.